The all-new Lexus ES was unveiled in China today, April 23, 2025, at the Shanghai International Automobile Industry Exhibition. This marks the global premiere of the next generation of the luxury sedan. Here's what we know about the new Lexus ES. Global debut. The unveiling took place at Auto Shanghai 2025. Electrification Focus. The new ES emphasizes advanced electrification technologies and will be available in both hybrid HEV and fully electric BEV variants. This aligns with Lexus's multi-pathway approach to carbon neutrality. Global Flagship. Lexus is referring to the new ES as a global flagship, highlighting its importance as a core model for the brand. Design evolution. The teaser images suggest a sleeker, more aerodynamic design with a fastback-style roofline. The front features a redesigned spindle grille with a three-dimensional design and sharp LED headlights with L-shaped daytime running lights. The rear also has a new taillight design with L-shaped LEDs and a light bar. Increased dimensions. The new ES is larger than the previous generation, with the overall length increased by 165 mm and the wheelbase extended by 80 mm. Spacious rear seating. A premium seat package offers more spacious rear accommodations, including adjustable seats, leg supports, and forward-folding front passenger seats. For the first time, rear seats will have ventilation, heating, electric adjustments, and a 220 volts power outlet. Advanced technology. The interior features a digital cockpit with an asymmetrical 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a large central touchscreen, size unspecified in the initial reports. The Lexus Safety System Plus is included, with expanded adaptive cruise control and a driver monitoring system. Powertrain options. Prototype values. ES 300h West, 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder hybrid, 201 DIN HP, available on FWD and AWD. ES 350h East, 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder hybrid, 247 DIN HP, available on FWD and AWD. ES 350e, front-wheel drive battery electric, 224 DIN HP. ES 500e, all-wheel drive battery electric, 343 DIN HP, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.9 seconds. Production in China. Lexus plans to start production of electric vehicles in Shanghai, China in 2027, though it is not yet confirmed if the ES series will be manufactured there. Rollout. A phased rollout across various regions is scheduled to begin in the middle of 2026.